Good morning. Our today's topic is book cover design and subtopic is comic book. Material required for this drawing: pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black microtip pen, 1/4 size drawing paper or a drawing book. First we are going to draw 1 centimeter borderline to our page. Write down the heading and on the left hand corner write down today's date. Keep your paper vertically. Now first we are going to draw 20 centimeter length and 25 centimeter height rectangle for the book cover design. For that, from the left hand borderline take 2.5 centimeter distance and draw one vertical line. From upper borderline take 5 centimeter distance and again draw one slipping line. We got one meeting point of these both the lines. From this meeting point take 20 centimeter distance on a slipping line and on a vertical line take 25 centimeter distance. Again from the slipping line take 25 centimeter distance and then both the points we are going to join together. On this line take 20 centimeter distance. Now these both the points we are going to join to get another 25 centimeter line. Now this is our rectangle. Now darken this rectangle with the 2B pencil and erase unnecessary lines. Now this is our rectangle. Here we start drawing now. Now first we draw heading here, then topic related drawing here, author name, or you might be draw a publisher icon here. Let's start drawing with a 2B pencil. Drawing should be light so that if it goes wrong somewhere we can erase it properly. First we are going to arrange a drawing on a paper and then darken with a 2B pencil. Here I am going to draw directly because if I draw light here you might be not seen here. That's why I am directly draw with a dark pencil so that you can see easily. First we are going to draw one human figure, cartoon figure, because this is our comic book, so that the figures are cartoon. And this is a Tintin character, animated character, which I am going to draw here. This is a very much popular character, you know very well. Here a Tintin is in running posture because Tintin is a detective and he always searching for something or the following for the clues, so he always running in his comics or in his movies also. So I thought this is a good drawing for our book cover design. That's why I select this character, and this is easier for you also to draw. This is our Tintin running character. Now we are going to draw a dog. You know the Tintin has a dog. He is always with Tintin to search the clues, and he is good friend of Tintin. So I am going to draw a dog also with him here. Now this is our characters. Now we are going to draw a heading here. For that take 1 centimeter distance from the upper line and draw one slipping line Again take 1 cm distance from the first line and draw one slipping line. This is the margin for our subheading. From this subheading take 1 cm distance and again draw one slipping line, and for the main heading take 4 cm distance from this line to draw margin for the main heading. Now first we roughly write down the subheading, the adventure of. Now we are going to darken with the 2B pencil. I think it's properly arranged. The adventures of. Now this is a one kind of font we can use here. You can draw differently also. Now in between this, the adventure of the, we write down the Tintin here. First we roughly arrange, then I'm going to bold with the 2B pencil. Mostly in Tintin book, comic book, this kind of fonts are there. You can write down with the different styles also, but I think this is a suitable font for this comic, so I'm going to prefer this font for this book cover design. And this is N. Finally we have completed our heading. Now it's properly arranged. Now we write down the author name on the bottom right hand corner. For that we draw two lines here to arrange in one line. Write down the author Hedge. If you want to draw publisher icon, you can add it here, but I'm not going to draw here. Now erase unnecessary lines here and trace this drawing with the black macro tip pen. Now this is our tracing with the black macro tip pen. Now if we start the coloring, first we fill up a blue color here, dark blue color. Now this macro tip pen is a water soluble, so that we directly fill up full background with this blue color. First we are transparently fill up a dark blue color here. This is our first patch. Again we are going to overlap with a second tone also. This is our rough tone. Only background we fill up with this blue color. Upper part we fill up with a slightly light blue color, and the lower part we fill up with a dark tone of the blue. Here the dark tone of the blue, so that it show a depth here. It's showing a depth here. This is our first tone. Again we have overlap with one tone, dark tone or thick tone. Full background we fill up with this blue color, two tones of the blue, light blue and dark blue. Now this dark tone shows a depth. Here we have completed our background. Now we starts with the t-shirt of the Tintin with a light blue color. Here we directly use a thick light blue color. While painting this light blue color, don't overlap with these black lines. If you overlap with a color, these black lines might be fade out, so take care of this, and properly you have to color. When you color with the poster color, you have to take patience and perfections. Slides, small mistakes make your drawing dirty. This is our t-shirt of the Tintin. Pant with the brown color. You can use burnt sienna color for this pant. Same, we are going to use thick color, so same precaution you have to take here while painting a pant. In this drawing, dog has a white color. Also, the hand and the socks of the Tintin also white. If you want to fill up a white color, you can fill up it. Otherwise, you keep it like this as a paper white. If your paper is properly white in shade, it's look good. But if your paper is already off-white or yellowish, it's not look good. So depend on you what you choose here. Now choose lightly brownish green. Use brown color and slightly green color. Add in this brown color so that it look brownish green. Hairs are yellow color. He is a European, that's why he has a curly yellowish hairs are there. I am using here lemon yellow, but you can use chrome yellow also here. And for the face we use a skin color. For skin color you use red, yellow ochre plus white, or if you have fresh tint color you can directly use as a skin color here. Here also you take care of all the black lines to apply a color. After completing this coloring, we apply a second tone on a background, thick light blue and dark blue color. This is our second tone. Now we starts with the heading. Heading I am using a white color so that it's highlighted, because heading is most important part in every drawing, or we can say in every poster color, book cover, newspaper. Because all these drawings are informative drawings. Directly you use white poster colors for this Tintin heading. You can use orange, red, yellow color also to highlight this heading, but I am using here cool color scheme. That's why I use a white color to highlight this heading. And second reason behind this white color is dog has a white color, also socks and hands of the Tintin also white. So with the concept of color balancing in design, we are going to balance this white color with this heading. White color is a thick color and it's easily applied on any surface other than yellow and orange are transparent colors. All yellow shades like yellow, lemon yellow, chrome yellow, yellowish ochre, orange, all yellowish shades are transparent colors. And if you want to apply these colors plain or properly, you add small amount of white color in these colors so that they apply plain on a paper. This is a scientific reason for this application of colors. Other than the white color is a very much thick and properly mixed color, so it's properly applied on a paper. For this subheading, the adventure of, we use light orange color. That means yellow, slightly orange and white color. That I am already told you that for the applying of the yellow ochre, yellowish shades, we need to add some white color in it. That's why I am small amount of white I add in this color for application of this color. The adventure of Tintin. If you want to apply this color properly, you can bold this font before you apply a color, because while drawing we just draw in one line, but if you want to apply color in between these two lines, you can bold fonts with double lining, and then in between this surface you can apply a color. Same tone I am going to use for the author's name, Herge. If you want to add some more details, you can add it. I am making a basic assignments for the students. So right now I am making this basic assignment for the book cover. In futures we learn a drawing for the school magazines or subject books or many more difficult topics. This is my first assignment for the book cover. That's why I make a simple comic book drawing for the book cover. If you want to outline this heading with a black color, you can outline with a black color, or if you want to add shadow, you can add with a black color or brown color on any one direction. because I am showing different techniques of the drawings and colorings of the drawings, so that time I am outline this heading with the black micro tip pen. In last assignment I am showing the shadow from the right hand side part with the black color. This time I am outline these headings and sub headings with the black macro tip pen to highlight these headings. This is the one way of highlighting a drawing. Now I think we have completed our all drawings. Now I am going to add some details or 3D effects on this heading to show some details here. This is our drawing. We are going to complete it. If you want to outline with the black macro tip pen, you can outline with the black macro tip pen, or if you want to color or outline with the brush, you can color it. This is our final drawing with the coloring and black outlining. Thank you. Best of luck.